Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at the Weil situation, and of course we're all competent at this. That's brilliant. Remember, Weil means because. There are other words which act or similar to Weil, so for example was, which means what, in the middle of the sentence. I'd like to just quickly add that this is not the same what as you find in the question. It's spelled the same, but it has a different function. Okay, this comes after a comma in the middle of the sentence. So, for example, a typical English sentence of "I don't know what I am going to do in the future." That "what" is the one we're talking about here. Das meaning that, after like phrases like "Ich dachte das," I thought that. "Ich glaube das," I believe that, and so on. Ob meaning if or whether. Ob ich, whether I. Ob dieses Ziel, whether this aim, etc. Now, as I said before, the first verb that was originally found after ich then is found at the end of the sentence either before a full stop or a comma. So, in this case, originally we had ich konnte, I could, and as you can see, it's now gone to the end of the sentence. Now, this next one, weil ich suche, because I am looking for or I'm seeking. Okay, and then whatever you're seeking is going to be found in the middle between the subject, in this case ich, and that first verb here gone to the end. Interessiere is interested. Now remember we learnt in a previous lesson how to say I'm interested in. Germans literally say I interest myself for. So they go ich interessiere mich für. The mich für stays in place, whereas the interessiere is now being catapulted to the end of the sentence. Okay. Weil ich ... bin, because I am. Weil ich ... finde, because I find or I think that. Weil ich ... reise, because I travel. Probably going to be used in the context of because I like travelling, so you need to sort of think, well, what goes with reise to show that you like it. Okay. And then this one here, weil ich ... arbeite, because I something, but because I work. So you think about again how you're going to say, because I like working with computers, I like working outside, I like working alone. Okay, somewhere within this middle bit you will find the structures in order to put that together. Okay, now because I found, now fand is the past tense of not that, I don't want that, typical, past tense of finden here. So, because I found, weil ich ... found, or what I found was, was ich ... fand. Okay, now, here we've got ich werde having been split up. So, let's have a look at this one over here. Ich dachte das, I thought that ich dachte, dass ich ... arbeiten werde. I thought that I will work, I don't know, in a shop, and so on. I'm just sort of thinking I'm probably telling the wrong thing there. Ich dachte means I thought that. Maybe a better way is I think that I will do this in the future. Okay, ich denke das. So, ich denke, dass ich in einer Möbelfabrik, in a furniture factory, arbeiten werde. I think that I will work in a furniture factory. Okay, so all sorts of things that we can have. Dass ich ... gelernt habe. That I learnt. Okay, I think that I learnt a lot from the experience. Ich denke, dass ich ... gelernt habe. That's the structure you would use. Okay. Now, schaffen can mean to create, but also, probably more in this context, to succeed with something. Okay, and it'd be fantastic with this structure down here. Ob ich. Okay, I'm just going to bring this slightly down into shot better. Ob ich das start again. Ob ich das schaffe, if I succeed at that. Ob dieses Ziel, if this aim realistisch ist, if this aim is realistic. Okay, let's have a look, a closer look at other words that we've got in the middle down here. Okay, now, schnell genug, quick enough, nicht schnell genug, not quick enough. Einen ruhigen Job, a quiet job. Ein gutes, a good, Arbeitsklima, working environment, literally climate. Okay, Flugzeuge, aeroplanes. Computergrafik, computer graphics. Zukunft, future. Wahrheit, truth. Leistungsorientiert, ambitious. Biologie, faszinierend is fascinating. Now, gern or gerne is the sort of thing to show that you like something. So we can either have it as gern or gerne. Okay, weil ich gerne reise, because I like travelling. Okay, allein, alleine, alone. Am computer, on the computer. Now, eigentlich interessanter, actually more interesting. Okay, now viel means a lot. Okay, preferably with the L. And then by meinem Praktikum, literally by my experience and practice. So that's that bit there, ladies and gents. Let's just have a look down here. We've got just a reminder of these phrases that we looked at earlier. Ich glaube das, I believe that. Ich denke das, I think that. Ich finde das, I find that. But also can all mean I think that, all three of them. So there we have it. Right, let's get back in the shot properly. Yes, got it.